Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm parked for the day. I decided to hop on here and get you guys an update. I picked up all this assortment of different size steel plates. Then I got this couple tubes. Taking it up to Sioux City, Iowa. It's about a little over 800 miles, about 280 a mile. Pretty easy, simple, straightforward load, and gonna be delivering it up on Monday. It's been a bumpy ride since I've started back. Of course, kind of always like that. I was behind on maintenance, and it was, you all know it's super expensive to keep these trucks going. It's like trying to keep an airplane going. So anyway, got all that caught up, so I gotta keep on pushing forward, trying to make that money again. So the revenue updates is gonna take a little while to get onto that. Might take another month to be able to make any revenue videos of what I can make here at C1 Transportation. But I can tell you guys I had one good week. It was like $8,900 to the truck. Made about $4,200 of that to the bank account, and of course I had to pay out $3,000 of that to the pickup truck and the semi truck, so I only got to keep $1,000. I mean, if you could stay on those numbers, you can be doing pretty good here at this company. It's hard out here in this market, but it is possible to get those numbers. Been a little bit slow in making videos because the last 2 weeks I've been really sick. I can't believe I worked through it, but I did, and much better now, and gonna pretty much just keep on the grind. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and Trucking Adventures.